안녕! Today I'm going to make bibimbap. It's Korean spicy noodles. This one is not in the warm broth, so I usually enjoy this in summer season. And this one is matches well with meat, especially samgyeopsal, pork belly. I prefer to use kimchi, especially well-fermented kimchi. If you don't have this, then it's okay, you can skip it. But well-fermented kimchi adds flavor to noodles and it makes the sauce savory. Then let's set the table. First, cut the cucumber into thin slices and chop kimchi into thick pieces. Next, I'm going to make marinade. Add 1.5 tablespoon red pepper paste, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, half teaspoon red pepper powder, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds, and chopped kimchi in a bowl. And then mix well. I'm going to use an egg as a garnish. Heat the oil in a pan over medium heat. And fry the egg like this way. Slightly mix the yolk and white. Wait for it to cool down and cut into thin slices. It's okay to put boiled egg on noodles as well. And then boil the water and put noodles in a boiling water. This amount is for 1 serving. Stir them to keep the noodles from sticking together. When it boils over, then pour the half cup of cold water. Repeat this 3 to 4 times. It's gonna take about 4 minutes. Wash the noodles in the cold running water many times to remove starch. Wash noodles by rubbing them together like wash laundry. Place the noodles in a strainer. Then mix the noodles with spicy sauce. Place the noodles on a plate and garnish with cucumber, egg, and sliced seaweed. It's done! 잘 먹겠습니다. It's spicy but delicious. If you like spicy thing, then put more red pepper powder or red pepper paste. Cucumber is crunch and it makes this dish fresher, and the egg would protect your stomach. Today I made bibimbap, Korean spicy noodles. You can make it easily at home. If you like this recipe, then thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can find more recipes for Korean cuisine. See you next time. Bye. 안녕.